Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to Vivo Y72 5G. Start by exiting Play Store on both smartphones. Now tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then go with Receive on Vivo and Send on Motorola. Now click on all of those type of dots and select Send in order to send all of those files. It will take a while though, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send and click Got it, just for example. Now we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Vivo, choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Then wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully sent. You can always make sure of it by going into, for example, Files app, clicking Browse in the middle and tapping on, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere section is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!